This is Dr. Susan Thrall. I'm going to show you how to do an append query. Recall that in our previous make table query, we created the table government customer. And looking at this in datasheet view, I have 3 records that are showing our customer types that are government. Now I'm going to add several records to this. I'm going to append those records. So I'm going to reopen my action query that I did last time in datasheet view. And here was my criterion, government. I'm going to change that to park. When you're doing an append query, you're going to add records to a previously existing table. You always want to first run the query as a select query to make sure it works and chooses the records that you are interested in. So I have put in my criteria, park, run, and I have 2 park records. I want to append these 2 records to my previous 3 government records. So going back to design view, I know my query works, so this time I'm going to choose the append query. So I click append query. I want to append it to my previous table, so dropping down the list, I scroll and find my table government customer, which is in my current database, and that's where I want to save this new resulting table. Click OK. Once again, it seems as if nothing happens. Remember, to do an append query or to do a make table query, you must run it. So I run the append query. It says you're about to append 2 rows. I click yes, and then I go to my table view in my navigation pane, double-click Government Customer to open it up, and there are my previous 3 government records, and appended to that are the 2 park records. So I use the append query to add the 2 records to the previous 3.